Okay, I'm sitting down. We're going to try this one more time. It may be the way I'm holding up my finger on a button, but it kept hanging up. Anyway, I had to take all the cabinets. Everything's off the cabinets in there. We have everything out because we did have roaches. We're down to one every 4 days now. So, but with him working on the wall ahead of you where the clock is there behind the refrigerator, well, I don't want to do anything. Once we get the underneath part and the joists all set up and the floors all leveled, because if you step there, this side of the carpet, you fall towards that refrigerator. I've already fell in that refrigerator a couple of times because that floor is slanted because the joist popped and broke. So, and that supports the middle beam of the house. All right? Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done. But he's good at it. And then we've already done the bathroom and the master bath. Then we're getting ready to do our bedroom and roll the ceiling. I don't know what we're going to do with that sitting room where he's digging that hole. I have no clue. I guess we're putting one whole wall is going to be a closet for stuff. And then the other side will be dressers. And a sitting chair so we can change our clothes and sit down, our lounge or whatever you want to call it. We haven't got that far. It's one room at a time. And it's like, other than people coming for Thanksgiving, and his son and daughter come, and they're the ones coming for Thanksgiving. They come every week. So why does it matter what our house looks like? Anyway, sorry about the videos going off and on. I don't know what was doing there. But as you can see, it's an older home. It's nice. It's on 20 acres. I've been out all morning. What time is it? I think it's a little after 1. It's hard to tell. This clock in the living room is an Indian clock. And it's very hard to tell. If you look at it, the feather that goes up beside his head or comes down just always reminds me of the hand. And you think that it's, 2 o'clock. No, it's 2:10. All right. Anyway, lots going on because we're still working on the goats. And I went out, we bought alfalfa and mineral buckets for them. So I went out a while ago, put a little grain in the mineral bucket so they start licking it and eating it and get a taste for it. And giving them some of my rough hay, his hay's grass. So we're trying to give them a variety. Then I took a can of alfalfa and spread it around because I don't want to give them a lot. Alfalfa pellets like they feed horses because I don't want them to get diarrhea or anything. So I spread that in a little grain and get them all started. And I did the boys the same way. So it's just been one of those cold days. I'm about to freeze. Anyway, I wanted to bring you up to date on cold country here. So anyway, my best to you. And I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving in case I don't get back to you by then. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. It's cold outside. If you're here. It was 26 this morning, 29, somewhere around there. Anyway, yeah, we're getting ready to put a new heater in there, a gas heater. Just got to wait till we get the house fixed, the foundation. Anyway, everybody comment below. And I'm sorry you can't see me because I just am not beautiful. I'm in the country. I still have my nails. They're much, much shorter. Yes, they are. They're shorter. Anyway, I'll see if I can turn this around and let you see me. I don't know where the camera is. Hello. Goodbye. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. Well, this stove is being quiet today because it's 46 degrees. But let me in our bedroom. I'm teasing him and telling him if I disappear, folks, he's burying me under there. He just keeps laughing. Anyway, this is our bedroom. The joist that supports the beam along this wall here is broke. Boy, does that stink. How many years have been down there?
A few years.
Anyway, he's digging so he can put a whole new 6x6 beam under here and lift the house back up. Because if you look, it rolls this to this wall from over there. There is our bedroom. honestly. We're going to fix the ceiling in there. He's already put up new walls. So yes, I am a very busy person. This is the dining room. We have a big, huge house. There's his office, and there's the bedroom. I just love it when videos stop. Anyway, we're back to the dining room table. His office. The extra bedroom. Second extra bedroom. Then there's a bathroom right there. Okay? And the stove. There's the kitchen. And nope, we don't have the cupboards. I've had him take everything out. Well, I don't think you can see it coming down. Oh, maybe you can here. Slick. Snow. Sleet. Something slick. I'm in my house slippers on the front porch and I'm sliding. Anyway, folks, welcome to winter. Doesn't everything change? Look at the tree colors. Oh, wow. I don't think you can see it coming down. Anyway, went out and checked on the goats before this all started. Made sure everybody's in. And fed. Oh, wow. It's really flying. I don't think you can see it in the field like I can. Yeah, look at the chair. Folks. Ice. Look. Ice. See that? Winter has arrived. This is, what, November 11th. This is winter. Winter, folks. Really something. Watching it snow. Well, I hope where you are, you're nice and warm. We started the wood stove, and it's warming up inside. We have propane too, and we have electric heaters. Anyway, that's blowing right in my face, so I'm going in. Happy holidays to you folks. It looks like it's going to be a cold one. Okay, I came around to the back of the house. Oh, it's cold out here. I have on 2 pairs of pants and 2 sweatshirts. Anyway, see the white? That's a shed. That is a carpet over the entrance so that they can go in and out. There's a second bed. There's a third and a fourth shed. And of course, for some reason, they like that little car thing there. But anyway, Zach is way out there eating something. There's hay in each house along with lots of straw. So, yeah, there's Zach. Hi, Zachary. Did you like your grain this morning? Was your grain good? All right, and here comes Zink. How was the grain? I know, but I put hay in. The gates are locked. Oh, look at the snow. Now it's really coming down. I can see it flurries. We love you. Go in where it's warm. I know. Where's Bear? What'd you do with Bear? Bear run away? He don't want to play. He wants the girls. And if I know him, he's laying over here. Nope. Did he get in with the girls? Oh, there Bear is. That's his buck. So I fed them all grain this morning. Got them all ready before this hit. So anyway, love you guys. See you later. Mama's going in. It's cold. It's freezing. It's 30 degrees. It's 30 and dropping every hour. Enjoy your weather. Hey folks, see all the ice? Yes. And it's 46 today. Look at the ice. And the icicles. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Yo! Just imagine if I fell on the vehicle that you're driving in. Anyway, this is the hills here in Nolan. And these are all the icicles they're showing us. So, the other side's the creek, their lake. Yeah, this is why it floods and everything happens here. So, this is more winter.